Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have the War Panty Power, so let's get into it and I'll tell you all about it. RWPP or Rose War Panty Power is a monthly box curated for women for that time of the month. You will get products that you need, a couple cute pair of underwear, some snacks to get you by, and some lifestyle products. If by chance you need to customize the products that you receive for your monthly time, you can do that. If you don't need them at all because you're in menopause or you're pregnant or you just don't want them, you can let her know and you won't receive those. And the underwear, she has sized from small to 3X. So you just let her know what size you are and you get this nice little custom box just for you. So we're gonna get into it. It is $37.50. That includes priority shipping. This is my June box and it says, "Welcome to June box, full of happiness." And that is what it looks like. Isn't it so pretty? She's gone to these new boxes and they're just gorgeous. When we open it up, it's hard one-handed. Ooh, we see our snacks right on top. I see fudge stripe cookies. Yum. All right, so let's get in here. As a rule, we have 3 lifestyle products, 2 pair of underwear, 15 of our monthly products, and there are variations. So you will get this letting you know what you received inside, which says basically what I just said. 15 100% organic period products. Have 6 pads in varying sizes and 9 tampons. And like I said, you can let her know all pads, all tampons, don't need them at all. And each month we receive 2 of the Genius wipes just to help keep everything clean. We receive those every month. They are 100% organic and they are valued at $9. Every month we also receive underwear and it is valued at $8 to $25 and it comes in this cute little organza bag. I don't know if I usually show this. I usually have it down here like, okay guys, I'm gonna show you the underwear. Everybody be cool. But it comes wrapped in a really cute organza bag. So, all right, I'm gonna show you the underwear, guys. Everybody be cool. This is the part where I blush. I usually only blush, it seems to be, the thong seems to be the line. I do kind of okay if there's no thong, but once I whip out the thong, it all goes amok. My first pair, oh, it's gorgeous. Wow, they are full briefs, but don't think granny panty. Look at that. Can you guys tell? It's lace. Look how pretty that is. So it's a full brief, but it's got the panel. The panel runs from here to here, and then all of that is lace. That is so pretty, and it's a I Lumi, and it's by I Love Your Style. It is a 90% polyamide, 10% spandex. So it's got a little give. Those are so pretty this month. I hate that it's probably not doing them justice on the camera, but look, so pretty. Okay, I'm not really blushing. And next, and maybe I should take this as she knew I was blushing too much. I think this is the 2nd month in a row I haven't gotten a thong. So this is really pretty too. This is almost, it's probably what they call a hipster, but it's almost like a boyfriend short. You know, it's got that width to it. It's really a pretty, really pretty fabric. It's that real slinky slick that has basically the vanishing edges. It's so soft and silky though. It's gonna be so comfortable. It is so, I don't know whether I'm getting more comfortable with this or it's truly the thong that pushes me over to the blushing edge, but I received 2 very pretty panties this month and basically no blushing. Okay, next we have our snacks, and our snacks this month are the Keebler Fudge Stripe Minis. So they're the cute little cookie stripes. High Tie, oh yes, premium chocolate coated cake. Oh yes, says it right there on the label. Oh yeah. We have a chewy chocolate chip granola bar, which I love these. And those are our snacks this month. And then we have our lifestyle products. And this is the Honey Girl Skincare Honey Soap Bar and Soap Saver. So I guess this is the soap saver, and it's one of those kind of, is it called jute? Jute looking, I think you could put your soap back in here and actually use it for a scrubby. People do that. But this is the Honey Girl Skincare Strawberry Cheesecake Honey Bar. Raw honey, shea butter, strawberry oil, olive oil, vitamin E, aloe vera, radish root, and arrowroot powder. Well, that's really, really cool. I can just barely smell the strawberry through it. It smells good. I'm gonna leave it in here, but this will absolutely get used. I love handcrafted or small batch crafted soaps. I love them. They're probably not small batch. In my Margot Elena, I get their Tokyo Milk soaps, and I love I like soap that isn't like Zest or Ivory. Not that there's anything wrong with those. There certainly is not. I have an Apple Biotic Skincare Apple Cider Vinegar Probiotic Facial Serum, and it's hyaluronic acid, organic aloe vera, green tea, chamomile, and vitamin B3, a blend of ancient and modern secrets. And that is what that looks like. And there's nothing in here I can't use, so let's see what it looks like. Actually, it looks much better without that plastic on it. And it is a pump. It's just a white cream. Oh, you can smell the vinegar. That's kind of what the scent is. I mean, it's not offensive. That said, I don't mind apple cider vinegar because I use it for a bajillion things. Yeah, it has an apple cider vinegar scent to it. I just used that little bit that I did all over the back of my hand. That would have been more than enough for my face. It feels nice. Let's see if it's going to absorb. It feels like it's going to. It says this formula hydrates and revitalizes skin, leaving it nourished, soft, and glowing for all skin types. Well, I can always use more moisture or serums that I can put under my moisturizers. I get this small window, which we're entering right now in the summer, where I have a little more flexibility because my face isn't quite as dry, but it's like 2.5 months and then I go back to parched. So this will get used. And I didn't mention it, this has a $15 value and this has a $33 value. And the value of the box is $37.50, which technically you could almost cover with your underwear and your supplies. And next we have, and it just has a surprise gift is checked next to it. And my surprise gift is a Bath & Body Works Sweet as Strawberries. And it's just the hand sanitizer. I love these. I buy these by it's like 6 or something at Bath & Body Works, so thrilled to have that. And last in the box, I have a May You Find Joy. The joy we seek is right here. Well, all I know is it's a box. Let's see what we have. It feels like there's a piece of wood in here. Oh, it's a deck of cards. Well, let's see what we have. I was hoping there would be one here that said what they are. The paper says they are the May You Know Joy, May You Find Joy mini decks, $17 value. The first one says, I create space for joy in my home. I look at life as a joyful adventure. I am open to new experiences. I experience today from my heart. I slow down. All right, this is going to take us out of the serious moment we're having here, but it says, I feel all of my emotions. I thought it said, I feed all of my emotions. And to be honest, that one's probably more accurate. So it's just a bunch of cards that say things. I guess maybe you look at them and you think, yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So I take photos of things that bring me joy. Well, that's true because I take pictures of my kids and my grandkids. I listen to a song that brings me joy. I do that. Now we're getting into some that are me. I listen for the sounds that bring me joy. You know what? All I can hear is cicadas. I'm open to receiving joy. I share my joy. I hope I share my joy. I hydrate myself. It's very specific, and yet this is another one that I can check off. I always have a glass of water. Always. So we have the cards, and I'm going to get online. It says you can go to mayyouKnowJoy.com and you can check them out. So I'm going to go there and see how they think I'm using these cards. You know, is it a daily challenge? Like, okay, today, drop a card. I look at life as a joyful adventure. Okay, today I'm finding the adventure and everything, which is perfect. So that is my Rose War Panty Power box for June. And we received our monthly products, our snacks, yum yum, our 2 pair of underwear, panties if you will, this really cool soap that is going to smell like strawberry because it almost wants to make it completely through there. I love soaps. The bonus little hand sanitizer, which who can't use hand sanitizer these days. The Apple Biotic makes way more sense. The Apple Biotic Facial Serum, and this joyful deck of cards that we will learn how to use. And that is $37.50. That includes priority shipping. If you use my code Kathrin30, you will get 30% off your first box. Also, they have a boutique, and I believe you can use that Kathrin 30 in their boutique also. So I will link them below. If you have any questions, be sure and let me know. If I don't know the answer, I will find it out for you. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys, have a great day.